With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here the question is the absorbed rotation of 2 grams of a compound in 10 ml solution in a 25 centimeter long polarimeter tube is plus 13.4 degrees. Okay, so we need to find out the specific rotation of the compound. So we know that for the specific rotation we have this representation T lambda, that is equal to the alpha upon C into L. Okay, so here if we talk about that what are these? Okay, so here this represents our specific rotation. Specific rotation. Okay, and here this lambda is the wavelength. This is our wavelength. Okay, and this T is the temperature. T is temperature, and this alpha is the absorbed rotation. This alpha is the absorbed rotation, and the C is the, if we talk about their units also, then the unit for the absorbed rotation is the degrees. Okay, degrees, that is this one. Okay, and here this is our path length. Path length. Okay, and for the path length we have the unit decimeters, and this is our concentration. Okay, this is our concentration. This is specific rotation is also in the degrees, and this is our concentration, and in the units we have is gram per milliliters. Okay, so here we have the units, that is gram per milliliter. Okay, so now we have the formula, right? So but what's given in the question? We will see what's given in the question. So in the question we are given with the this alpha value, that is absorbed rotation, that is alpha is equal to plus 13.4 degrees, right? And one more thing is given, that is weight, that is the grams. Okay, weight is equal to 2.0 grams. Okay, and the next given is volume, that is 10 ml volume. This is our weight. Okay, volume is given 10 ml. Okay, and the path length is given, that is 25 centimeters. Path length is our 25 centimeter. But if we need to calculate the specific rotation, right? So what we need is, we first need to convert this. So it will be 2.5 decimeters. Okay, it will be 2.5 decimeters, because the 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 decimeters. Okay, so we have used this conversion. Now we need the concentration. So concentration will be weight upon volume, that is the grams upon milliliters. So here we have is 2 upon 10, and that is equal to 0.2 grams per milliliters. Now we have got the three values for the formula. So here we can write is alpha T lambda is equal to plus 13.4 upon 0.2, right? 0.2 into the 2.5, right? So these three are in the units we require. This is in the decimeters, and this is in the grams per milliliters, and this is in the degrees. Okay, we have already converted this. So here we will have plus 13.4 divided by 0.5. Okay, so here our alpha, that is the specific rotation, is as equal to plus 26.8 degrees. Okay, so it means that here our answer, the specific rotation of the compound is this one, the plus 26.8 degrees. Okay, so this is our required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.